So, doing an unboxing really quickly. Quick on the feet. Balmain B Bolds. Love these shoes. They're my everyday shoes until I get another pair of Balenciaga Speed Trainers in black. But for now, I cannot complain about these. So, let's pop the box open. Authenticity guaranteed. You see, got this in the bag, and we have the receipt. Entropy certificate and the receipt. So it says brand Louis Vuitton, material Graphite Damier, date code MB4099. So yeah, got the stuff right here. Put that to the side. I did not know eBay had their own dust bags. That's pretty cool. So let's close this and yes. So got the lock. And yeah, the 55 is, yeah, it's down here. If you guys could see it, kind of hard to see. But yeah, as you guys can see, upgrading the luggage, has this hang tag on it and everything. Has the eBay certificate of authenticity. Pop that off. Scan the QR code and turn your closet into cash. Okay, we'll dash that to the side. Open this. And, I was about to say, whew, I thought I was tweaking. Okay. So you guys see the Louis Vuitton Paris on the side, everything like that. Is there a key? Okay, so I don't feel the key, but oh well. I'll have to order a replacement key, but it does come with the strap. So we'll put this on like so, and the other strap like so, and voila, Louis Vuitton Keepall 55 Bandoulière in the black graphite. I do wish they had the 60, but they don't make 60 in these ones, only in the monogram, the like vintage monogram, like this kind of monogram. This one's super cracked. I'm actually about to give it away right now. But yeah, so I have one more piece coming. Actually, two more pieces coming. Hopefully the person gets back to me. I'm actually about to message them now, but I have another piece that matches these. And then I have another piece coming. That's another canvas. And then for now, that'll be all, unless I can find a an ambler in the black graphite, because the ambler is like a bag that's about this size, and that'll be good for carrying. But the majority of the use for these bags are actually going to be on the firearms channel, because this is going to be what I put my SBR in once it's built, or once the paperwork is processed. I just have to wait for that. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Oh yeah, the strap is kind of on its way out. I wonder if they do just sell like just this part of the strap. If so, that'll be a lot cheaper to buy than an entirely new strap, because a new strap is like $300 or something. But if I have to, I will buy a new strap eventually. But let's just hope that this thing lasts, or if I could like get this thing fixed like with a patch or something, who knows. But I do really like these bags. They're very durable, and I do plan to like do things with these. And also this Louis Vuitton Motorsport Zippy wallet is still for sale. $600. Super cheap. You'll never find an authentic one this cheap. I already sold the Speedy Bandoulière, so sorry, the person actually got a great deal. I sold that for $1,000, which is insane. Like without the fading, this one is faded on the epi leather and everything, but both of them were. But without the fading, they sell for like $2 to $3 grand. Not these sell for about like 1,500-ish without the fade. 600, you're never gonna beat that. So yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching this unboxing. It's the first time buying from eBay through their authenticity guarantee program, so it did take a while, unfortunately. Like, I think I placed my order like 2-3 weeks ago, and the thing is, I already got it authenticated myself, but at least I got it double authenticated if I ever do go to sell it, which I don't plan on it. So yeah, just, you know, I love this stuff. It's good to park my money, because I got this for a steal. I got this bag for a steal. I could sell them for close to double. Like this I could sell for 1.5 times what I paid for it. This I can sell for double what I got for it. So it's just like, why wouldn't I buy them, use them, and then sell them for a profit? Like, that's literally genius. Stuff like this, bought it for, I sold the Speedy Bandoulière for almost double what I bought both for. So their profit. So know the thing go. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.